Let's be honest, losing your hair sucks. Whether it's thinning, receding, refusing to grow, or your beard looks like it gave up halfway, it hits your confidence hard. You might not say it out loud, but every time you catch yourself in the mirror, it's there. The creeping hairline, the patchy beard, the constant frustration. You've probably looked for answers, maybe you've Googled best hair growth vitamins at 2 AM, thought about medications, even considered that turkey trip for a transplant. And sure, some of that stuff works, but pills come with side effects, transplants are insanely expensive, and no one wants to be locked into chemicals and treatments forever. That's why today we're breaking down how to fix this naturally, with 5 key steps that target the real reasons your hair isn't growing. And at the heart of it all, a powerful natural serum that pulls everything together in one. Pete and Pedro's Boost. But first, let's talk about what's actually stopping your hair from growing. Even if it feels like it's not growing at all, it probably is. It's just breaking off as fast as it grows, or it's stuck in a resting phase. The reasons are usually simple but stacked. Clogged follicles, poor circulation, inflammation, breakage, and nutrient deficiencies. Genetics and hormones play a part too, but most of the time there's a lot you can do to support better growth. Here's how to start fixing it. Step 1. Treat your scalp like soil. Think of your scalp and your beard skin like soil. If the ground isn't clean and nourished, nothing grows well. Your scalp might be clogged with product buildup, dead skin, and oil. That suffocates your follicles and slows everything down. Start by washing with a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo like Pete and Pedro Volume. It's packed with biotin to support hair health at the root, and it won't strip your scalp. Follow it up with a conditioner like Pete and Pedro Power, which hydrates, strengthens, and protects your strands post-wash. And don't skip exfoliation. Once a week, use a scalp scrub or a shampoo brush to get rid of buildup and help your follicles breathe. For your beard, use a proper beard wash and brush it out to keep the skin underneath clean and irritation free. Step 2. Fuel your follicles. Your hair can't grow strong without the right fuel. That means getting enough protein, omega-3s, leafy greens, eggs, nuts, and berries into your diet. These foods help build keratin, the protein your hair is made of. If your diet's not cutting it, supplements can help. Look for a biotin supplement like Pete and Pedro gummies, which you can take every morning with your coffee and start to see a noticeable difference. And also consider adding collagen, vitamin D3, and zinc. Boost, our new growth serum made from natural ingredients, also helps here too. It delivers nutrients directly to your scalp and your beard through natural oils that are loaded with hair supporting compounds. It's like a multivitamin for your hair, just applied topically. Step 3. Reduce stress naturally. Stress wrecks your hair. When you're stressed all the time, your body goes into survival mode and hair growth gets put on the back burner. That's when you start noticing sudden shedding or thinning. Find ways to relax your system. Walk more, journal, meditate, get outside, or simply take breaks from your phone. You don't have to be perfect, but your hair will thank you for even the small moments of calm. Step 4. Limit damage. If your hair is breaking faster than it grows, it's going to feel like you're stuck. Blow dryers, heat tools, harsh products, and tight hats or hairstyles all cause damage that adds up over time. Let your hair air dry when possible. Swap in a silk pillowcase to reduce friction overnight. Use a wide tooth comb instead of yanking through tangles. And a product like Treat, which is packed with argan oil, is an incredible way to protect and nourish your hair from heat tools and harsh products. Argan oil is called liquid gold for a reason. It works. And be gentler to your beard as well. Hydrate it, comb it, and treat it just like the rest of your hair. And then step 5, try natural growth boosters. This is where we bring it all together. Natural ingredients like rosemary oil, peppermint, castor oil, tea tree, and aloe vera have all been shown to support hair growth, reduce inflammation, and even block DHT, the hormone linked to hair loss. Sure, you could buy all of them separately, but that's where Boost steps in. It combines over 20 of the most natural ingredients into one easy-to-use serum. Apply it to your scalp or beard, massage it in, and let the nutrients do the work. You only need a little bit, once or twice a day, and it hydrates, strengthens, clears buildup, improves blood flow, and supports fuller, healthier growth without any of the side effects or even the crazy price tag. One bottle, everything that you need. You can try juggling 10 different products, or you could just simply do it all with Boost. So whether your goal is to fix a receding hairline, filling patchy beard spots, or just support overall hair health, Boost is the go-to. It brings together everything we've talked about here. Cleaning, hydrating, nourishing, protecting, and stimulating, all in one bottle. No pills, no transplants, no chemicals, just consistent care and real, natural results. So if you're serious about taking control of your hair and beard, start with these 5 steps and give yourself the edge with Boost. Click the link in the description to try it now.